Are you looking for the best wood carving tools? Here we will break down the top 4 best wood carving tools on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. A wood carving set. If you're looking to get into wood carving, you may be tempted to look at a set of power tools for getting the job done. However, our preferred method is to carve our pieces by hand. For carving wood by hand, we recommend the Schaaf full-size wood carving tools set of 12. This set comes with 12 chisels, which give you a wide range of possible carving actions. They're forged from chrome vanadium steel, so they're extremely strong and hold their edges well. They have octagonal handles, so they won't roll. Also included is a storage sleeve, which gives you a way to protect your chisels when they're not in use. At number 2. Geimers SK5. Geimers SK5 is the best budget wood carving tool set on our list. It comes with 12 high-quality tools for a reasonably low price. This set has 12 premium tools of different sizes and applications. You get chisels, gouges, pinpointing, and parting tools. The tools have high-quality blades made of SK5 carbon steel and electrolytic coating. It is sharp, durable, and can be used for a variety of applications, including touching up antique furniture, micro and miniature carvings, spoons, bowls, and different animals. It's also ideal for clay and soapstone sculptures. Its wooden handles have a sturdy and smooth finish, which is comfortable to grip and handle. The handle prevents blistering even with extended usage. The blades are also firmly attached to the handle and won't snap off. For ease of storage and organization, the set comes with a plastic, which is reusable, so that it can also hold other tools and items. It works best on non-wood carving as they are subject to chipping when subjected to high pressure. Thus, it's best used for light-duty tasks. At number 3. Honorable mention. The Xacto X5179 is a 3-dimensional carving set that consists of 6 tools. Each of the carving tools includes a forged steel head that can handle almost any type of wood, and a durable hardwood handle that makes them comfortable to hold. The carving tools to shape wood, the groove cut and for deep relief cutting, hence making them very handy. The design, shape, and size of these blades make it possible to make precise and detailed cuts, and do it consistently. Also, the blades will maintain their sharpness for long, and so you will not have to keep resharpening them. Despite the high-quality construction and choice of heavy-duty blade material, these carving tools are still very lightweight, and hence easy to handle, and with minimum hand fatigue. At number 4. The Power Grip Carving Tools Set. The Shinwa Power Grip Carving Tools is a good option for those who want unique hand tools, which are something between conventional palm-handled and full-size tools. This product features a handle shape and short blade length that makes the tools perfect gap fillers between palm-handled and full-size tools. The set contains a 3mm and 1/83 number 9 gouge, 6mm and 1/43 number 8 gouge, 7.5mm and 5/163 skew chisel and 7.5mm and 5/163 straight chisel, 4.5mm and 3/163 false parting tool, 9mm and 3/83 number 5 gouge and a 9mm and 3/83 number 3 gouge. In general, users have a favorable opinion of the Shinwa 7-piece whittling set, and they agree that the grip helps to keep wrists and hands from fatigue. They add that the tools are very sharp and sturdy. All in all, users conclude that the item is beyond perfect for a beginner.